G'day everyone, Uncle Jojo. Great to see you all again. Today we've got a visitor in from AUW, All You Want Building Supplies, or Architecture You Want. This is Shannon. G'day,
Hi
Shannon.
everyone, how are you going?
Tell us about AUW and tell us what you can offer the industry, please.
Okay, so AUW, short for All You Want Building Supplies, and also Architecture You Want. We are a hardware and timber supply specialist, but also render, cladding and all your external facades. So we actually have two stores located on Albert Street in Preston, number 80 and number 68. We have specialists at both stores. We have former industry workers. We have a former solar plasterer, an engineer, all sorts of things, all sorts of specialists for whatever you need.
Former worker in the industry makes a massive difference being able to recommend products to you. So it's all right having Joe Blow off the street telling you what they've heard or seen on YouTube, but actually somebody that's been in the trade parting their knowledge to you is a massive thing. And as we're moving through the industry, it's moving extremely quickly nowadays. We're having new and different joist systems coming on the market every year. When we talk to somebody like AUW, who's a high quality supplier in the industry, they stay current, and as Shan said, they're using people in the industry that have been in the industry for a while, so they're trade professionals.
So these are some custom profile mouldings. I couldn't even tell you a figure of how many different profiles are available. So rather than using a full concrete moulding as has been used in the past,
Which are very heavy. And
very heavy.
And very dangerous if you're balancing on top of a scaffold.
Definitely. These ones here are polystyrene that's then been coated. Render, whole world of options. There are so many different options. Let's not even attempt to go into it, but a couple of little samples here. A couple of little different finishes when it comes to your render, your solid plaster, all sorts of things.
Yep.
I've also brought in some samples of some cedar. Cedar is definitely making a comeback for your feature walls.
Yeah, right.
Whether
interior, exterior?
both. Floor system options. So if you're looking at a two-storey building,
Yep.
between your first floor, your ground floor and your first floor,
Yep.
these options here, being joists, are cheaper than posi struts.
Right.
This option here is what's called a tech beam.
Yep.
It's cheaper than concrete. We also have some glue lams here, so your glue laminated beams.
I want to show these glue lamps, so give me 1 second. I just want to move some stuff around.
So your glue lam is finger jointed pine. There's your finger joint there, if you want to get a close up for anyone who doesn't know what that is. The way it's been joined, the timber is put together. Then each of the bits of pine are laminated together.
So it's glued and laminated. Then we move on to dun, 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 one of my favourites, LVL, or laminated
Veneer lumber.
You can see that these are strips. It's like a veneer, and they're cold pressed together. But the size and the range that these come in is unbelievable. So depending on what you need to use these for, depends on the size and the span that you use. So if you have a look here, this is what we call Bertha, Big Bertha. So you could use a beam like that if you need to span a far distance, or if you needed to stitch some of the joists into this and use that as one of your supporting beams around the edges of the home. That can also span a very far distance, so if you wanted to build something off that and you use that to go from pier to pier or something along those lines. These are a completely manufactured timber, LVLs and GLs, so are the joists, but these are manufactured and engineered so you are able to use them in your home using timber, but you're able to, they're a little bit lighter, they're already treated, and they're not as expensive as getting just the raw boards because we can use them more efficiently. Thanks for watching. Any questions or queries about any of that, or supplies to go to for certain awesome materials other than AUW, come to me. Thanks for watching. Flick over any questions, and like always, stay unreal, banana peel, and I'll see you in the suit.